Okay, today we're making crepes. We have the first one in the pan, actually the second. And then the ingredients are as follows: half cup of water, milk, 3/4 cup, 2 eggs, butter, melted, 3 tablespoons for the recipe, 1 cup of flour. And then you can beat it up. Some people put it in the blender, so you can shake it up. And if you put it in a large enough vessel, you're going to pour your batter into the pan and let it cook until it starts to get some color. This is a French recipe of crepes. You can make crepe Suzette. You can have them as pancakes. This morning I'm going to have them as Swedish pancakes with lingonberries. Very delicious. Kind of tart and sweet. A little bit sweeter than a cranberry, but similar to tartness. You see that color? That's what you want. That light golden brown. You flip it just until you get that on the other side. This is all about technique. The right amount of batter, the right temperature, it's a little bit above medium on an electric stovetop. This is what I currently have. And should be able to fold when it comes out of the pan. We're going to place a little bit more butter down into the pan, and that sizzling that you hear is the milk fats in the butter, the water on the warm pan. One more ladle. And then put it in the pan, let it set for a little bit, and then rotate around and keep until it's almost completely set. Just keep rotating. Just keep rotating. See, it's almost set. There's hardly any that's following me. And let it cook until you get that light brown color. And that's it. Not much to it. It's all about technique again. I'm going to finish making the rest of this batter. I hope you guys enjoy.